This is a 4-button. It's a FOBIK for a Chrysler. Actually, this fits the Challenger. Is kind of cool. This is for a customer for a Challenger. And again, replacing the battery. There's a little tiny slide here. When you're looking at it, it can be a little confusing, but just slide it over and the emergency key comes out. This is a blank, hasn't been cut yet for the customer. So there's the emergency key to open up the door. Again, just a little slide there. And then just a little spot in there. Give it a little twist. Again, don't force anything, just gently pry it apart. There we go. It's got a nice weather seal on it. Again, there's our battery. Pop it out. Oh, it comes out nicely. Again, this one takes a CR2032. So again, it's quite popular. You can replace it with an Energizer, Duracell. So again, it's a CR2032. Plus side down. Fits in nicely. Again, it's got an interesting little weather seal on it. Just clip it all back together again. And the emergency key just slots right in there. So again, this is a FOBIK for Dodge, Chrysler. This one's actually for the new Challenger. And again, to take it apart, I'll just go over it one more time. Got that little slide there. You just slide it with your hand. Pull out the emergency key. Little space there. Give a little pry there actually, and just walk it off, just gently. You don't have to do any marks on this. Comes apart nicely. There's a weather seal around there. That's pretty good. Battery comes out real easy. It's plus side down. This one's a CR2032. Little 3-volt again. Just clip it in. It's the weather stripping can make sure it's all in there nicely. It all goes together nice. Put the key back in. And there we have it. There's our FOBIK 4-button. Again, three major buttons and the panic, so it's a 4-button proximity remote, and this one's called a FOBIK. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.